Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this cordless tiller for Makita 18-volt batteries. We have 360 RPM motor, 20 centimeter working wide and 13 centimeter working depth for our garden, for our fields and agriculture. It comes to you without the battery, of course, because you can use your existing Makita 18-volt batteries because it's compatible with them. 18-volt batteries. Instead of buying an extra battery, simply use our existing high-quality batteries to operate the electric machine here. Easy to assemble and ready to go immediately. This product is not an original Makita article, of course, but you can handle an original battery with that device. It is durable and robust with a good performance. Built with strong steel teeth combined with a maximum power of up to 360 RPM, ensures up to 20 cm wide and 13 cm deep ground penetration and consistent performance, even in harsh terrain. Equipped with 4 to 12 2 steel blades that offers a more maximum efficiency and smoothness it wants. This is a cultivator or a rotavator. This is a piece of agricultural equipment used for secondary tillage. One sense of the name refers to frames with teeth. It's also called shanks that pierce the soil as they are dragged through it linearly. Another sense of the name also refers to machines that use the rotary motion, like here, of discs or teeth, like here, to accomplish a similar result, such as a rotary tiller, like here. You can make a good cultivation of your ground here. You can remove herb, easy peasy with that device, and it is adjustable and it comes with an ergonomic design because this device here with its telescopic shaft provides comfort and eliminates the need to bend down. Its upright posture combined with a comfortable grips and an adjustable additional handle reduces the muscle and the joint stress to make gardening more comfortable and painless. And it's eco-friendly and quiet because the electric design offers a clean alternative to gasoline milling, reducing carbon emission and ensure quieter gardening. And at the same, it's a lightweight and versatile device because this device is compact, yet powerful, perfect for small to medium-sized gardens. In addition to milling, it is ideal for losing the soil, weeding, and for various agricultural tasks in orchards, greenhouses, and vegetable beds. And it's easy, of course. We have an 18-volt wireless cordless hoe here. It's strongly. The tiller is a good beater. 4 durables, lean, great effectives, and adjustable handle. This meets a different height requirements and easy storage, lightweight portable device. And it's good for the orchard, the lawn, the vegetable plot, and of course for the garden. And you can see the handling of that device is really easy. We attach the battery to that device. Then we are going to add both parts together. After this, we can pull the trigger and the lock first, and then it will be start rotary. And while it is rotary, we are going to penetrate into the ground with that. And this makes it so good because it's it shakes the garden around a little bit. It removes the herb out of the way, and it makes a good cultivation for your next mission in the garden area, of course. This is the Ohais cordless. Hor motor for Makita 18-volt batteries with 360 RPM motor, 20 centimeter working wide, and 13 centimeter working depth into the bed, field, and agriculture. It comes to you without the battery. You have to buy that battery separately. But if you are in business, in DIY business, you will have that because a lot of people out there have Makita devices. So it is easy peasy. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback. And I hope to see you on my channel. Soon.